Welcome back to Ray J Financials, where we empower you with the knowledge and tools to achieve financial freedom. Today, we're discussing a topic that can transform your financial future: how to build an emergency fund that actually works. So let's get started. An emergency fund is your financial safety net designed to cover unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or even a job loss. It's not just about having money. It's about having peace of mind when life throws you a curveball. Why you need an emergency fund? Life is unpredictable. You heard that right. Imagine facing a $1,500 car repair or a sudden medical expense. Without savings, you might turn to credit cards or loans, which can lead to high interest debt. An emergency fund helps you avoid that trap. Think of it as a buffer between you and financial stress. It allows you to handle unexpected situations without derailing your long-term goals. Next, we will discuss how much you need to start. Step 1. Start with what you can. If saving $1,000 feels overwhelming, don't worry. Start small. Even $10 a week adds up over time. The key is consistency. Here's an example. If you save $20 a week, you'll have $1,040 in a year. That's your starter fund, ready to handle minor emergencies. Look at your current budget and identify areas to cut back. Maybe it's skipping that extra coffee run or dining out less frequently. Redirect those savings into your emergency fund. Step 2. Automate your savings. The easiest way to build your fund is by setting up automatic transfers. Treat your emergency fund like a bill you must pay every month. Choose a specific amount and schedule it to transfer from your checking account to a savings account right after payday. This ensures you save before spending on anything else. Even small automatic transfers like $25 a week can make a big difference over time. Step 3. Boost your fund with extra income. Any unexpected income can be a game changer for your savings. Tax refunds, bonuses, side hustle earnings, or even birthday money can give your emergency fund a significant boost. Let's say you get a $500 tax refund. Instead of spending it, put it directly into your emergency fund. Windfalls like this can fast-track your progress. Step 4. Trim expenses to free up cash. Cutting back doesn't mean sacrificing everything. It's about making intentional choices. Review your subscriptions. Are you paying for streaming services or gym memberships you rarely use? Cancel them and redirect that money into your emergency fund. Plan your meals for the week to avoid last-minute takeout expenses. Small changes like this can free up hundreds of dollars over a few months. Step 5. Sell and used items. Take a look around your home. Do you have clothes, gadgets, or furniture you no longer use? Selling these items online can generate quick cash for your emergency fund. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark make it easy to turn clutter into savings. Step 6. Choose the right account for your emergency fund. Your emergency fund needs to be accessible, but not too easy to dip into for non-emergencies. Here are 3 great options. High yield savings account. These accounts offer better interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow faster. A money market account. A hybrid between a savings and checking account. It offers easy access and competitive interest rates. Separate savings account. Even a basic savings account works as long as it's separate from your daily spending account. Avoid risky investments like stocks for this fund. Safety and liquidity are key. Step 7. Replenish your fund after use. Once you use your emergency fund, prioritize rebuilding it. Treat it like any other essential expense. For example, if you withdraw $500 for a car repair, adjust your budget to save that amount back over the next few months. Step 8. Keep your fund for true emergencies. An emergency fund is not for shopping sprees or vacations. It's for unexpected, unavoidable expenses. Ask yourself, is this expense necessary? Is it urgent? Is it unexpected? If the answer is yes to all three, it's a valid reason to use your fund. Common mistakes to avoid. Not starting now. Don't wait for the perfect time to save. Start with what you can, even if it's just a few dollars. Using credit as a backup. Credit cards and loans come with high interest rates that can make emergencies even more expensive. Failing to rebuild. If you use your fund, don't ignore it. Make rebuilding a priority, keeping it too accessible. Avoid linking your emergency fund to your checking account to reduce the temptation to spend it. Motivation to stay consistent. Remember, every dollar you save brings you closer to financial security. Think of the peace of mind you'll feel knowing you're prepared for the unexpected. Visualize your goal. Whether it's $1,000 or 6 months of expenses, imagine the impact it will have on your life. Thank you for joining today's session at Ray J Financials. We hope this discussion on building an emergency fund inspires you to take control of your finances and create a brighter future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and share it with friends who might benefit from this practical guide. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll share even more tips and strategies for achieving financial freedom. At Ray J Financials, we're here to help you every step of the way. See you in the next video.